welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be updating the lighting on this thing so it looks a bit newer, at least from the back of the car, because that's all you'll ever see of this baby. I'm going to be doing just the license plate lights and then the reverse lights and replacing those with some LEDs to make this thing look a lot better. Eventually we'll go ahead and get some tail lights that will really amp the look of the car up and make it look a lot newer than what it really is, because it's 13 years old now. Whatever. So let's go. So in order to get to these bulb lights, there's two here. There's 4 screws underneath there, or you can just reach inside there through the tail light wells. Zip these baddies right out of here. Look at that. Reach in there. You can kind of feel it. All right. And if you're really good, there you go. And then just pop it in that way. So just find the socket, feel around. There we go. All right. Oh, buddy. Look at that. You can see it right in there. And I mean, look at the difference. Nice. We're gonna have to just pop this one back in, take out that light, and off to the other side. Super easy and super quick to do. See how good I am right-handed. Comes right out. Let's take this little guy, find the socket, then bam, done. So those two are done. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the reverse lights and eventually even get rid of the ugly stock tail lights. We got these things done. Now, for the approach lighting, reverse lights, whichever, just get underneath this thing and make sure exhaust isn't too hot. Then you can reach back in here, pop it right out, boom, there's the old bulb. Set that aside, pop this thing in here. Okay, there you go. LED and the OE. It already looks way better, way brighter. As you can see, I can't even look at that thing. Woo! Wow. That's it for the install on the rear lights for the plate and reverse entry lights, and it looks great. Super excited, super stoked. It looks so good. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you want to see something more on this car for some new videos on the channel. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time.